Fortsky, that was not the ending we wanted, but Coach Pido said that he was proud of the team during your final game. So could you reflect on that?
Well, yeah, for me kasi masaya rin ako sa team namin, although yun nga, hindi yung ending na gusto namin. Kasi yung improvement ng mga boys, I think from last year to this season, malaking improvement eh. And for that, masaya na ako for the team kahit na hindi ito yung resulta na gusto natin. Pero maybe yung future ng mga boys natin for the USC community, there's something to be, hopefully excited about. Yeah.
How are you excited dun sa building blocks na UST? Of course, there's Collins, there's Abiel, there's Mark. Ano masabi mo dun sa UST?
For me kasi special yung bond na na-create ng team na to eh. And lalo na kasi sa off court eh. So magkakaibigan kasi kami diyan sa team eh. So may relationship kami. And I think yun yung naging strength namin this season. And mas magiging buo pa yon coming into the next season kasi you have the rookies, Koji, sila, Charles, Collins, rookie. So, hopefully mag-grow lang yung mindset nila, hindi magbago na hindi makontento na, just to learn about everything about basketball.
Of course, you played previously with the staff team, a championship team here in the UAP in college with Ateneo. So, did you see any parallels ba dito sa team na to and then sa championship team?
Parallels, parang, I think, wala naman masyado. I think both are uniquely different. And, yun, pareha siya special kasi kahit iba yung closeness namin nung Ateneo, it's on a different way. And then dito naman sa USC, ibang way naman kami yung closeness namin. So I think it's both good and, unique for me.
You've touched on yung Ateneo USC. Dami nangyayari. To say, marami nangyayari sa UAP career mo sa understatement. I'm sure the loss is still fresh. But can you just sum up the UAP career that you had? What you feel after the final pag-result on the collegiate career?
Alam mo, swerte ako kasi na-experience ko to sa lifetime ko, yung UAAP career. Swerte ako kasi rookie year ko, finals agad, although hindi namin nakuha yung championship. Then sophomore year, nakuha naman namin. And then come USC, panibagong challenge. Nung una, goal lang talaga namin is mag-Final Four. And then this season, mas tumaas yung goal namin, sana mag-finals, although hindi nakuha. Pero, I'm grateful through all of it, sa wins, sa losses. But masaya lang, I'm just, trying to be present kasi, I'm just trying to experience everything and I'm grateful lang for God na pinapa-experience sa atin to.
Ikaw, could you reflect on the 2 years mo dito sa UST? Last year, and this year?
Puro masasayang thoughts lang kasi dito sa UST. Kasi yun nga yung pag-welcome kasi nila sa akin, parang, alam mo yun, friends kami, magtatropa, yun yung ganun yung dating. Pero we know when it's time for business, kung kailan na magseseryoso. And yun nga, that's what I really liked about us. Kasi, special, yung bond namin kasi, yung closeness namin, I think, iba siya sa mga teams na na-experience ko rin before. And, I'm grateful for it.
What's next?
What's next? I think preparations muna for the pro. I think kasi I think may kailangan pa akong i-improve sa sarili ko bago akong mag-pro, bago akong pumunta sa kung saan ko man gustong pumunta.
Are there any fears ba like foreign or local teams?
As of now, wala pa eh. We are more focused on the preparations. Yeah.